Hi, I want to speak a little bit about the upcoming workshop on May 6th, Genital Dearmouring. So, if you're curious about this, more than likely you will think genital dearmoring, that's physical touch in the genitals in nudity. Now, yes, there will be absolutely option to work with the physical dearmoring of the genitals. It is very important, and just like any other body part, has a lot of muscles that can be dearmored. However, on this day workshop, we also look at the genitals from a much wider perspective. And what I want to say with that is that you are your genitals and your genitals are you. It's a representation of a part of yourself. And so to de-armor this part has a lot to do with de-armoring yourself. And also we'll be looking at the masculine inside of each person and the feminine inside of each person and their relationship to sexuality and to the genitals. Because usually it's those beliefs that we have that actually creates numbness or inhibits the opening of the genitals. And so if you're curious about it, go to our website, tasteoflove.com.au, and have a further read on the workshop. And also the day workshop is always followed by a Tantra Touch Temple Night, which focuses on the 4 main categories of touch and their importance. So very welcome to check it out, and I really hope to see you there.